Wike is back. The FCT minister that was rumored that he collapsed and flown to France has finally surfaced. This man, I don't understand him at all. My people agree to now. Yes, Niso Wike is fully back, and as it is right now, he has revealed actually where he actually went and what he was actually doing at the moment when the rumor was flying around that he collapsed and was flown to France. Make I not talk too much, my people. Make una hear am from the horse's mouth anyway. Meanwhile, before we watch this very video, because it's a well-loaded video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Take your time, watch and be filled.
Wike has reacted to rumors making the rounds about his health, saying there was never a time he collapsed or was flown overseas for treatment. Mr. Wike made the revelation while speaking during an inspection tour of some ongoing projects in the nation's capital. He claims that the rumors emanated from mischief makers whose sole purpose was to divert the attention of the public from the allegation made by the former head of service of Rivers State, Mr. George Wike, against suspended Governor Simnalayi Fubara and his chief of staff, Edison Ehie.
I don't want to give credence to people who are only interested in carrying rumor. First of all, the human being, it is not a ghost that will collapse. It's human beings that will collapse if there's any problem in their health. Unfortunately, I did not collapse. I didn't share this time that I have any health problems. Let me tell you what happened. What happened was that you see that the former head of service of last government came out to let the public know what was going on, had a plan to bomb the House of Assembly complex, and had a plan to attack national assets. In order to divert attention from people not focusing on that, they have to bring one rumor that they have been flown overseas. There was never a time I collapsed. There was never a time anybody took me to that. But you see me every day. The day Mr. President broke Iftar, that is birthday, I was there. The next day, I led Abuja residents to pay Salah Hudage. I see all those stories just die down. This is politics. We have this scheme. Those who don't bother us. We are not distracted. We are focused on our job. So I thank Nigerians for being for really worried that this should be, but people should not wish their fellow human beings such a thing to happen. We know that we will die one day.
Well, that is this one we keep for you. The guy they talk anyway. He has said exactly what happened to him and what he was actually doing at the moment while the news was flying. Niso Wike has pleaded to propagandists and also those spreading his name up and down that he collapsed. He said he is fit, he is busy, he has been going taking care of projects. Only him know what the truth actually is. If he's taking care of projects, I need to see him. People need to see him. That is for him anyway. My dear listeners, for more updates, please, I would like you to like to this very channel and subscribe so that we can always meet you updated. This is Afris Concept TV. It's the jubilation because it has gone as far as, you know, putting up smiles in the face of the Biafrans once again. All right, then let me leave you to come into this very matter and air your opinion on what has just been said as we speak right now. Please don't forget to drop your comments, your ideas, so that you can be updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you. This is Afro's Concept TV.